Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start now by using a USB 3.0 flash drive with enough free space. You want speed and room. You plug the drive into the source computer and wait for it to mount. If prompted, choose the default file manager or file explorer. That ensures you can see folders immediately. Once done, navigate to the folder containing the files you need. Make sure to verify file sizes so you don't exceed available space before copying. Now you select the files and folders you want to move. Use Control-click or Shift-click for multiple items so you keep order, and then press Ctrl+C or right-click and choose Copy. This avoids accidental moves. Next, open the USB drive and paste into the root or a labeled folder to stay organized. While copying, monitor transfer dialog for errors and estimated time. If a file is large, make sure the USB format, so once copying completes, use the system's eject or safe remove command before unplugging to prevent corruption. Then move the USB to the target computer, open the drive, and paste the files using Ctrl+V or paste. Verify by opening a few files to confirm integrity. If something goes wrong, make sure to format the drive to XFAT or NTFS for files over 4 GB, check available space, and run a quick disk check. That single troubleshooting step solves most transfer failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.